Yon World, what's the deal? It's your boy Original back with another video for y'all, man. Now check this out. I know I haven't been on camera in a couple of my past videos. I've been doing a lot of educational online tutorials. But on this video, I just want to go over why YouTube is the biggest source of passive income in 2020. Go ahead, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on post notifications for your boy Yon World now. The whole 2020, I began to rebrand my channel. And one thing I wanted to focus on when rebranding my channel was to create more educational content, more content, helping people make money online, right? And when I was doing this, I had a realization, man. I just wanted to share this with y'all. You make more money on YouTube, you make more money making videos about how to make money on YouTube. Like, I'm about to try to explain it again. All right, so we know YouTube is like a lot of entertainment, a lot of, pranks, interviews, music, right? That's what entertainment is. On one hand, they love that. It's three categories YouTube is focusing on in 2020. I'm gonna tell you that: entertainment, pranks, anything to keep you entertained, anything to keep you on YouTube for a long amount of time, music, anything entertaining, anything that can grab your attention. They love that. Next thing YouTube love is education. Now, education is like in a different tier because it pays more on YouTube. Like, you actually get paid more on YouTube talking about how to make money, right? And it's like a catch-22 because, well, it's like a double-edged sword, I should say, because you also, not only are you getting a benefit for making content, like you receiving a higher CPM rate for making content about how to make money online, but you also helping individuals, out there who may not want to get a YouTube page. But again, YouTube is the biggest source of passive income. If you think about a passive income idea, make a YouTube account. And this would no affiliate marketer on YouTube would tell you. They'll sell you all of these different products. I just see how me getting into the earn money online and make money online niche, you see how regurgitated information is. You see how, a lot of people talk with empty promises and, they lead you down a whole long video, not to give you any upfront value or any upfront information. And I just noticed it. And I want to approach the niche space, not only working harder than everybody out there, but also with more valuable content. Like, nobody will actually tell you you can make more money creating a YouTube channel, posting videos about making money, than actually wasting 8 hours, trying to make these online programs work. Now, there are legit ways, but when you really want to start up with no money, like from nothing, being broke, like having nothing, you know what I'm saying? You want to build up, you want to make a YouTube channel because it's 100% free. You got a phone, you know what I'm saying? You got internet, you watching this video, you got a phone, you got internet, you connected some way, shape, or form. So why not use that time and begin creating content for yourself that's going to pay you for, the next 10 years? Because what no YouTuber will tell you is that all of these videos they creating, like how to make money, you know what I'm saying, the method might burn out. Like, not if it's max bounty or real affiliate clickbank offers, you know what I'm saying, but it's a lot of other, like, I just noticed the niche space, and there's a lot of people be promoting random websites and go here and, type here, you get this. But that's not the real source of passive income. Like, if you're not promoting CPA offers, affiliate marketing, you know what I'm saying, paid advertisement, you're not really getting that passive income like that unless you have a brand or a dog-ass free traffic source. You know what I'm saying? Everybody there tell you to post on Facebook groups, post on Reddit groups, Twitter posts. Like, this is what you're going to see on every video, as a means of free traffic. But what you don't see is that same marketer is selling you the program that's really making him all the money. You know what I'm saying? They sell you these affiliate marketing programs that really make you all the money. You know, the YouTube advertising revenue is really been paid more than that affiliate offer. So I just want people to be smart out here. You know, this space on YouTube, it is, I would say the competition is medium to low right now. It's increasing, but it's still like a whole wave of correction that can be happening, because when you look at videos from like Kevin David, Big Mark, it's like a bunch of different people that just grew like stupid followings because they was kind of like the first ones in this niche. And if you go to earn money online, you're gonna kind of see like the same people popping up over. Like it's only about, I swear it's less than 10 people, but that I always just keep seeing. But you're gonna see the same people. And then if you like really watch their video, like it's so much fluff, and then they just know how to edit real good. And then before, like you 7 minutes in a video and they just told you a strategy they haven't even used. You know what I'm saying? They show you numbers from their affiliate marketing sales from their training. You know, just like it's so deep. Like you get more money teaching people about this stuff than actually practicing it. Like now there are people that make killings off, you know, the real ways, like Amazon FBA, affiliate marketing, you know, creating a drop shipping store and running paid advertising on it, influencer marketing, you know, and then it's becoming the influencer, becoming a brand, becoming this, and, you know, working from that and building off of that. You know what I'm saying? You get so much free traffic on YouTube if you just apply yourself, but you got to work, you got to grind. You know what I'm saying? And I just feel like everybody out there knows something that somebody else don't know. Like you know something nobody else know right now, and you gotta teach people. You gotta share that information. And YouTube is like an open door, just revolving. Like who else gonna teach? And when it comes to the earn money online space, you know, a lot of people may be just looking to do that. A lot of people may not know, but if you go and you search and you find different methods that may be easier, maybe it took you 3 hours to find out, oh, this simple method worked. Instead of, you know, having the next 1,000 people go through the 3 hours of madness that you went through, why not make a simplistic video showing? And like I said before, like one out of every 7 searches on YouTube and Google is no video for it. Like people are searching things in a keyword in the search bar, and there's no specific video for it. It's like, you know, random video. Maybe this one had a little bit of what I wanted. Maybe this one had a little bit of what I wanted. Then it's like this paste together method that people got to go through. And that's my whole approach. Yes, anybody in this make money online niche, man, you are on my hit list. I ain't gonna even lie. Like I'm studying all of y'all. I'm studying all of y'all from the little pages to the big pages. I'm watching all of y'all videos. I'm seeing where y'all went wrong, and I'm hitting y'all with the Mamba mentality, and I'm coming at y'all heads all 2020. You know, friendly competition, very friendly competition. You know what I'm saying? I just feel like, you know, I'm the best. And YouTube, y'all should never taught me about this niche right here, because I not only do I have the voice, I can get in the voice so out code. I can get into my tutorial education voice so out code. Not only do I have a voice, but I have a certain amount of knowledge and experience and skill in this. And I can do this, man. I can do this on YouTube all day. So make sure you leave a like, man. Make sure you comment. We dropping educational content all motherfucker 2020. And you know, when it comes to making money online, just know YouTube is the best source for passive income. YouTube, why nobody would tell you that YouTube is so great. Like you make a video today, you can get paid from it for the next 10 years. You could be making money for the next 10 years. So why not buckle down, get on your passive income, make a video a day. That's where I'm outstand. I make 2 videos a day. You know what I'm saying? I make 2. That's over 800 videos a year. This ain't fucking with me. And I already got 800. My arsenal my library of content is about to be so big this year. You know what I'm saying? I'm ending the year with at least 1,200 videos on my channel. So, hey, y'all, hey. Hey, y'all better get on y'all game, man, because Yon World, man, I've been practicing. I'm coming for y'all head on this earn money online niche. I'm about to really educate people in a simpler way. No fluff. I'm not about to be none of that. I'm getting straight to the point. I've been watching too many videos. They ain't talking about nothing. You know, people, not getting to the point. Oh, I'm about to show you. So make sure you leave a like. Make sure you comment. I'm out.